Okay, so Paul's over. Same day I did the clutch, different video. Yeah. So we're gonna try and get the intercooler mounted up, and then try and, I guess, get a quick tune on it for that. We've got till, what time is it? It's 3:34, so we've got like
3 hours.
3 hours to get the turbo on there, get it
Turbo's on.
at least, the intercooler, I mean. Get the intercooler on there and get it reasonably tuned, basically just safe to drive.
4 PSI, so.
Yeah, I mean, it really shouldn't hurt. I mean, yeah.
I'll just go off that base tune from the 1G pretty much like I did.
Yeah.
Fixing that timing.
Yeah, shouldn't be a big deal. So, yeah, we'll do that, get the boost hooked up. We have no idea if it stopped leaking oil from 2 videos ago, where we fixed all the oil feed and everything. This is like the day after that video. So yeah, we're just gonna send it, because like when he revved it up, it blew out the air filter, kind of blew dust out of that. So we're thinking it's not being able to make suction or whatever. So yeah, it's not being able to do its job, and that could be also causing power problems. So we're just gonna hook it up. It's just weird that I never had that issue of mine, but your oil cooler is also a lot, or your, not oil cooler, I can't speak today. Your oil pressure is a lot higher than my shit. So, but yeah, let's get this fucking intercooler on. So before, I'll do a couple update videos, but before, let's get excited. Okay, so we just got these welded on. Paul cut a giant gaping hole. Still got to cut a gaping hole right there. So, should be a good time. So once that hole's cut, then we can get it all mounted up. Okay, so it's on there. Now we just got to put on a bunch of couplers. We got it mounted. You can see it there. And then Paul's got to drill a hole for the IAT valve. So,
sensor.
Oh yeah, I can't speak today. No hablo español. But yeah, let's keep going. Okay, there it is. Come on, tarp, get out of here. So, yep, goes in. And then over here. And we got it like doing a 90 into a 90 into a 90. And up in here, you got this plugged in. IET's on the other side. Ow. But yeah, so now Paul's just gotta take her out for a spin and get her close and tuned. Since we got it's 5:27 and 7 o'clock is when the thing is, but we gotta be out there at like probably 6:30, be early. And then yeah, should be sweet. So now Paul's gotta grab his laptop and slap some tuning on there. So let's do that. Alright, Paul's got a little Terpski on there. I think he said he calculated it's only making like 2 pounds of boost. So 2.5 pounds of boost. So yeah, we're gonna just throw it into this video. We're heading to the hill. So let's Fiero's going. He's just gotta wait for the laptop to fire up, and then we'll be heading into Dell's, hit some Taco Bell, and then go to the meet. So it's like your little cruise and a meet, so should be a good time. Let's get there. Well, I don't think cruise is gonna happen, but Ricer is here.
It's not Rice.
I mean Boy Scout, my bad.
GM, QX.
Paul's car made it here.
This is nice.
I'm here. Morgan's here. New car here. This thing's fucking badass. And this thing. And another one. Got some hella horns.
They don't work.
What's a horn? So, but yeah. The hill, good time. Alright, well, we got a cruise going. Well, we're the needy ones, because everybody else is over there. Back on the road, got that Abrith 124S or something like that behind me. Thing's badass. Need one. Paul's in front of me, leading the way because I don't fucking know offhand, and my phone's like almost dead. Well, I'm charging it right now, so should be good, but figure I have him lead. Okay, well, we're back to the hill. Oh, don't look at that fucking piece of shit. Got him? Yeah, so we all made it back. It was a good time.
In one piece.
We never broke any laws, just cruising.
Oh, that's bullshit. If there were any laws broken, it was in Mexico.
Yeah.
We crossed the border.
Yeah, we went into Mexico. We did like a loop into Mexico and came back. So, but yeah,
Got shot at by some terrorists.
good time. Now we'll just continue on the hill. It's only like 9:06.
Like
That was,
a picture.
that was like what time did we leave?
Like 8:15 or something.
Yeah.
45 minutes. Pretty good. A lot longer than I was expecting, but I figured we might as well go away the fuck around.
Oh, can I go back to Mexico?
Yeah. Time to go through. Let's go up and down the strip a couple times.
Do that.
You need two-step. We all need two-step.
I can.
We all need
I can do
two-step.
it right now. We can set up two-step.
Dude, I wish we all need two-step. 4th of July, we all come out here, fucking. The fucking, you know, this shit will be packed for that. But yeah, enough yabbering on. I'll probably catch you when we're driving home, or when we make it home, if we make it home. All right, well, we made it. We made it. So that's gonna be it for this one, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. See you next one.